You are watching the Maritime Academy channel on YouTube. On 31st Jan, two Filipino crew members lost their lives in a sea collision involving a passenger ferry off the coast of Batangas, Philippines. The Philippine Coast Guard confirmed that at 12:30 p.m. local time, two passenger vessels collided near Matoco Point in Batangas City. Ocean Jet 6, a high-speed ferry, was en route to Calapan from Batangas with 105 passengers on board and 19 crew members when the collision happened with a water taxi Hop and Go 1. The crash severely damaged the water taxi, and two crew members, identified as captain and third mate, lost their lives. Four passengers on board water taxi Hop and Go 1 were also severely injured in the accident. Coast Guard Station responded promptly to the accident and safely transported the passengers to Calapan. The Philippines Coast Guard has ordered a thorough investigation of the incident, and the Maritime Industry Authority, Marina, has suspended the safety certificates of both vessels. Thank you for watching us.